In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove duplicates in Google Sheets 2026. Duplicates can sneak into a sheet when you paste data from different sources or import the same list twice. Cleaning them up makes your totals accurate and your lists easier to manage. Here's how to do it using Google Sheets' built-in tools, step by step. First, open your spreadsheet and make sure you're on the worksheet that contains the data you want to clean. Take a moment to scan the table so you know which area you'll be working with and which columns matter for identifying repeats. Remember, this tool looks for exact matches, so it targets truly identical entries. Next, click to select your data range. If you're checking a single column, you can click its letter at the top, such as A, to select the entire column in one go. If your duplicates span several columns, drag to highlight the exact block of cells you want to check. It's perfectly fine if your selection includes a header row. The cleanup tool recognizes that in most cases. Selecting only the columns that define uniqueness, like an ID or email, will remove duplicate rows based on those specific columns. With the range selected, go to the menu bar at the top and click Data. A drop-down will open with several options related to sorting and organizing your sheet. This is where Google Sheets keeps the built-in cleanup features, so you won't need any formulas or add-ons. Hover over Data Cleanup to reveal Google Sheets' maintenance tools. This area houses features specifically designed to tidy up common issues and streamline your dataset. Click Remove Duplicates. A dialog will appear showing the range you selected and the columns that will be used to identify repeated rows. You'll also see an option indicating whether a header row is present. Review what you see to make sure it matches the selection you intended, and note that this process removes entire duplicate rows, not just individual cells. Finally, click Remove Duplicates in the dialog to run the cleanup. Sheets will scan the selected columns, keep the first occurrence it finds, and remove any exact matches that follow. When it finishes, you'll get a brief summary telling you how many duplicate rows were removed and how many unique rows remain, so you know exactly what changed. Take a quick look at your sheet to confirm the result aligns with your expectations. If you're auditing a large dataset, you can repeat the same process on other columns or ranges as needed. And if something doesn't look right, you can always undo immediately. That's all it takes to find and remove duplicates in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.